Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since yesterday's video, Bitcoin has pulled back from recent highs near 113,400 and briefly tested expected support around 112,000. Price bounced to roughly 112,600, but was rejected again, dropping below 112,000. It is now sitting right on the rising trend line that has been forming since August 26. This short-term uptrend has produced higher lows along a blue ascending trend line, currently being tested as support in the 111,400 to 111,270 zone. Overhead, the nearest resistance remains at 112,000, followed by a stronger barrier near 113,600. A lower high compared to the previous peak suggests momentum may be slowing, making the current level especially important in the coming sessions. From an indicator perspective, the MACD histogram is fading, with lines crossing downward, hinting at weakening strength. Wave trend has printed red dots after price failed to stay above 112,000, now searching for a potential bottom. If the current trendline breaks, price could revisit 111,000 and, in a deeper move, 109,300. On the other hand, if buyers defend the zone and reclaim 112,000, another test of 113,600 comes back into focus. Looking at the liquidity heat maps, the one-day view shows lower pockets around 111,000 have already been absorbed, leaving the next concentration above at 113,600. On the 3-day chart, a notable cluster sits at 113,700. The 1-week perspective highlights the strongest zone above, stretching from 113,600 through 117,000, with secondary activity below around 108,100. Checking the ETF inflow data, we can see momentum picking up again, with yesterday showing higher inflows than the day before. Total inflows closed at plus 178.9 million, led by IBIT with about 63.7 million. Finally, a broader development. Bloomberg reports that US GDP data has been published directly onto the Bitcoin blockchain. This represents a step toward integrating traditional economic reporting with blockchain technology, adding transparency and reinforcing Bitcoin's evolving role beyond just market speculation. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe with notifications enabled to stay updated. And see you in the next one.